Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios and we are going over the most fun summer products on all of Amazon. This is the Intex River Run one-person inflatable tube. Summer's here and we all know how much fun it can be to go tubing, and this tube is the choice. It's the best for pools, lakes, rivers, oceans. You guys, it has everything. It's got your super durable handles. It's got your cup holder. You're gonna want that. It's got your backrest. And what I think is really cool about this tube that a lot of the other ones don't have, it's got a mesh bottom. So you're not just like totally open floating around. It's super supportive and comfortable, but you still get that water. So you know, you're nice and cool. This is made by Intex and they are synonymous with quality, durable inflatables. They are just the best in the business. This is made with 18 gauge vinyl, so it's super sturdy. It's double lock sealed on the side. The inflation valve is quick to inflate, quick to deflate. You guys, this is a great summer product. You can use like an air compressor or one of those like Coleman things that you use to inflate air mattresses. Whatever you choose, it's gonna work for you. These are really gonna hold up over time and they are so much fun. I encourage you to go ahead and put it in your cart. You're gonna be really glad that you did.